Engage your child's creativity and love for nature with this eco-friendly bird feeder project. Start by gathering empty milk cartons, paint, string, and birdseed, transforming recyclables into a haven for feathered friends. Cut out sections of the carton to make openings, then let your child paint them vibrantly, fostering artistic expression. Thread the string through the top of the carton and fill it with birdseed, together exploring discussions on bird species and food habits to enhance their curiosity. This activity enriches environmental awareness and provides a joyful bonding experience, with parents guiding children in learning about sustainability and nature's wonders.